Throw away your glasses. Only using this one ingredient will help you increase your vision by 97%. As we get older, we lose some basic functions as we become more prone to diseases and our bodies begin to deteriorate. Our eyes are probably the most important thing we have because they receive approximately 90% of the real-world information. Namely, they help you learn many things from your environment and also help you defend yourself if necessary. But it is precisely this sense that suffers the most over the years. Science and technology have advanced a lot in recent decades. Different contact lenses and lenses are used to improve our vision. However, they are not always the solution to this problem and they are often very expensive. But even with the improvements in our glasses and contact lenses, we cannot solve the problem of vision impairment. And while science and technology do not offer results, there is a natural remedy that can help you get rid of glasses in a short time. Fortunately, there is a wide range of natural remedies that treat vision impaired by aging. The secret ingredient of this recipe is saffron, a root that not many people know. Saffron is a small, bulbous and perennial spice, a member of the liliaceous family. To produce saffron, the stigmas, the part of the flower that traps the pollen, must be carefully selected, cut out of the white style and then carefully placed in a sieve and cured with heat to increase the flavor, a process so intense that the saffron, the most expensive spice in the world. Currently saffron is produced commercially in Iran, Greece, Morocco, Spain, Kashmir and Italy. Iran is the most important producer of saffron, both in terms of volume and quality, and Spain is the largest importer of spices. The benefits and medicinal properties of this high-prices spice make it a valuable culinary ingredient throughout the world. This natural element could stop and recover the degeneration of sight, making the cells integrated into the visual system become harder and more resistant in a very short time. Ingredients needed: 1 gram of saffron, 1 cup of water. Preparation. The preparation of this tea is very simple and easy. All you need to do is bring the water to a boiling point and then add the saffron. To improve flavor, you can add a little honey. As for the consummation, you should drink this tea throughout the day or you can take it at night before going to sleep. In a short time, you may notice improvements in your eyesight. Saffron will not only improve your vision, it will also purify your blood, improve your cholesterol and triglyceride levels, improve your blood circulation, treat arthritis and improve your memory.
मेडिसिन्स को ताला लगाओ और करो अलबुरूज to win free gift. Please like, share and subscribe. Al Bruj All Natural. Allah Hafiz.